for you.
Yeah, even my arms aren't long enough. Thanks. Just out of reach. Smell that. I think what we're going to do is basically make it so that if all targets are hit, like your work targets, whatever they are, with everybody, then there's like a fund for everybody. I think that's the way he wants to do it.
Yeah.
You know?
For sure. Yeah.
So rather than just here you go, it's like there's a pot, and if everybody, for example, doesn't call in sick like every week or whatever, you know, I don't know the specifics of it, but that's what it's like, incentive based. Not my plan, by the way.
Okay.
But it's better than nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I think it makes sense because it encourages, you know, Jeremy and everyone just to kind of snap into gear a bit, maybe. What do you think?
Yes, for sure. Yeah.
I sent Vince a message yesterday.
And then.
I said, "Come on, dude, where are you, huh?"
What's his reply?
To be honest, I sent quite a long, sentimental message, like saying that I'd made mistakes in my past, you know, and don't throw away opportunities because Sherwin and Ray really, you know, really believe in you. So don't throw away an opportunity. And he said, "I appreciate it, man. Thank you." So
That's it.
that's it. But you can only try so hard to convince people, can't you?
Yeah.
I felt like I should say something, just like as an older courier, you know, just try and say something. Because when I was younger, and I just like, I don't want to do this anymore, and give up an opportunity, but you can't do that, can you?
Just so.
Especially not when it's, you know, when you don't have any money whatsoever.
I think what I can see Vince is that he's not really struggling financially.
He said he's trying to just make ends meet.
I don't know. I don't know about that. Because if he's trying to meet his you know, daily needs,
Yeah,
why would he choose to go out and paddling?
yeah, true.
Right.
Somebody's paying for his lunch.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can just imagine how much would he would have get every time he guides,
Exactly.
aside from the salary that he gets, right?